Good morning, all. Ira Epstein with your morning flash update. And this update is for Thursday, the 4th of May, 2023. It's sunny in Chicago. Finally, we're going to start getting weather that gets us back in the spring weather of the 70s, leaving these 30s and 40s. Okay. European Central Bank President Lagarde, I'm looking off screen here. She is still talking. They went up 25 basis points. Like the U.S., they are going to start rolling off their balance sheet, letting things expire, not buying them back. It's another form of tightening. You have to take a look at energy today. You got down to $63 a barrel. Do you think our energy policy came in and bought any barrels to replace the SPR? I guarantee you, no. They wouldn't know what an energy policy is. If these people, Biden included, were all there and they were in my classroom, I'd fail them all. They'd have to go back probably a grade or two to learn about how to work things, how to talk to people, and how to execute. They don't know what they're doing. I'm looking at the corn and wondering what the heck is going on. This is trading like the old day of pork bellies. You went down to 570 yesterday, went up to 592 today, and now you're breaking and trying to get back under the 580 level. That is not typical for the corn market. All the grains are coming under pressure, but that's not what's going on in cotton. It's getting a strong bid, so we'll turn our attention there. In the gold market, this is not a misprint. You got up to 2085 today. That's a monster print. Silver market got to 2616. You're not really going to run very far until China says something positive about their economy. I wrote about it already for my 11:30 update this morning, showing some of the figures, and they're not the prettiest figures you could get. I'm looking at the dollar and still thinking a 99 in the front number, not a 101. I'm going to be doing a special report later today, I think on gold. I'm going to make up my mind by noon, but I'll get some special report, maybe one or two done. I'll talk to you about it. It'll be on the website. You'll hear about it at the end of the day review. So let's take a look and see what we've got. Challenger Gray, the planned cuts, well, you can see. 66.9, all right, so still coming on pretty good. European Central Bank, a quarter point basis hike, now to 3 1/4, and they say they're open. They don't know how high it's going. It was unanimous. There was discussion of 50 or 25. Nobody, according to Ms. Lagarde, said we don't raise rates. Jobless claims up 13,000, but continuing falling. We just can't put anything together here that gives you a clear trend. The fact that you're not at 200,000, you're at 240 is a positive for the Fed, but it's not a number that just makes it pick up and run. Non-farm productivity data. Well, if we take a look at how this went quarter over quarter, the market was looking for 2%. It got 2.7. If we look at the U.S. trade balance, it came in at 64.23. That's a negative, about $1 billion worse than the market thought. And at 9:30 today, we're going to get the EIA report, and that'll give us an idea of the injection of natural gas as to where we go. But what this is all about today, really, is how's the stock market going to react now to the two central banks making their rate moves, and tomorrow, the jobs data. The jobs report's going to be a big report tomorrow. Understand where it's at. Understand you might have just poked to the lows in the energy markets, and maybe that was it. Hard to tell, but when you come $5 off a low that fast, something's brewing. I'm Ira Epstein. I'll catch you tonight in our normal market wrap-up. Remember, if you want to watch my morning video, you're seeing Join Me, that blue button here on YouTube, and you can always give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing. I'll see you this afternoon. Well, this afternoon, early evening. Take care.